What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, bienvenidos. My name is Talia Munoz. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply falsies. It's been actually a very high request on my DMs, so I decided why not. Makeup's already done, so I just had to pop these lashes on, make them as natural as possible, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. I already have my eye makeup, my foundation, not foundation, my concealers, and a little bit of blush. But this right here is the Tarte Mascara Lights Camera Lashes. So I already have those on. And then I like to go in with my lash curler. So let's get started with that. Lashes are curled. Now, for falsies, I like the Ardell. They're affordable price. I get the 5-pack just for the fact that they do either they get damaged or they get a little bit of shadow underneath. Usually when putting your falsies, you always want to measure it. That way you see if it's going to match, if it's measuring on your eyelid. If it's too long, you cut it. If it's too short, then you just move it off a little bit closer to the end. All right, I'm going to zoom you in here. So as you can see, they are perfectly aligned. I don't have no cutting, but that can go differently on the next eye. The next guy, I'll probably have to trim a little bit or something of that sort. Now that that's measured, I like to go in with my glue. And this glue here, this is the Duo Glue. Perfect glue, affordable glue. I think it's like $9. It lasts a long time. Mine usually lasts like almost 8 to 10 months. And I like the applicator. I like the applicator because it's kind of like an eyeliner. Instead of the one that you have to squeeze out, this actually allows me to control how much glue I want on my eyelashes. Now that the glue is on, I allow it to sit there and dry up a little bit, like for a good 3 to 5 minutes. That way, when you put your lashes on, they're not moving all over the place. They actually sit perfectly over your natural lashes. And while I'm waiting for those, I'm going to go in with the other lash, measure it. All right, now that it's been a while, so I'm going to grab the lash and I am going to curve it inwards. That way it sits on my eyelid perfectly. And then I like to grab a compact mirror. I like to look down to the mirror and then sit. Let's zoom you in. I like to look down in the mirror and place it perfectly over the natural lash. And with some tweezers, okay, and just like that. So when I place the lashes, I do it off to the end where at the outer corner. Then I slowly start pressing it into the lash line, to the middle, and then lastly in the inner corner. The inner corner is a little bit tricky. That's why it's important to measure it, because sometimes if it's too long, it can be pokey in the inner corner, and you never want to cut your lash off to the inner corner. I don't know if I'm making sense. You never want to cut your lashes at the front. You always want to cut them at the end, so that way it doesn't look awkward. And believe me, I have definitely done it multiple times where I have cut my lashes in the inner corner and then it just looks all weird. Moving on, bend the lash again. You can put it in the middle or you can put it towards the end. Just depends. Like this eye, I like to start off towards the outer corner, towards the end of the eye, and then with this eye, with my left eye, I like to start it in the middle. Clean this mirror, look down, and then I'm gonna go in with my fingers and then just press it inwards. That way your natural lash and your falsies kind of combine together, and then no one can tell if they are falsies. I wait 3 to 5 minutes to have the glue sit for a while. Then I go in, put them on with a tweezer, and I have to have my compact mirror. So I look down and place them on there. And that's the end. All right, I hope you guys liked this mini little tutorial. It was a fast little one. If you guys like more of these videos, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Adios.